Okay, so in this video we will be unboxing the Xperia XZ1 mobile phone from Sony. So we just open these sides here. And there we get the mobile phone. This is the black model and it has the fingerprint sensor or scanner. And let's see what's inside the box. There's not much inside these boxes anymore, so the Sony charger and some guides and just the USB-C series Sony brand one. So there's not much in these boxes anymore. And well, if we compare the Sony XZ1 to Sony Z3 Plus, we can see how different they are in. I have the Elasto case here. It doesn't have the sensor and it has aluminum on the side, and this has completely black on the side. The camera is a bit bulbing out from the back side, and there's the LED flash comparing to the Sony Z3. So that's pretty much the unboxing.